Okay, today we'll learn Mathematics Part 1 Standard 10. Practice set 6.4 153. Okay, that we will do today. So the data is given. Class, number of students, you have to draw histogram. Okay. Class should put it here, frequency here. Okay. So take class here and frequency here. Okay. Okay. I have to plot this. I have to plot this. I have to write it here. Now I write this 140. Then write next one 145, 150. Then last one also. Okay. So first you have to write this. Now this maximum is 16. Okay. I cannot take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is very big. Okay. So I will take 2. Okay. So I can take 2. So instead of that I will take 2. I take 10. Okay. Now 135 to 40. It is 4. Okay. So I think. So I have to take 4 for this. Okay, then join it. Okay. And now 140 to 145, 12. 12 is coming. Okay. That will check here. And next 145 to 150, 16. Okay, so go to 16. Go to 16 and plot it. The last one is 8. 150 to 155 is 8. No, to here. Okay. So this is what you have to do it. Write your scale also. So on x-axis 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter is it is 5. Okay, it is 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter height. Because here 140 minus 135, it's 5. That's why here, and it is 2 centimeter, and it is 1 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter. Now here 1 centimeter. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is 2. 2 student. 2 student. Okay. So this is the way you have to do it. Now let's do next one. Say between 0 to 135 there is no value. 0 to 135 no value. Okay. So that's why we have to take a crank value here. Okay, so 0 to 135 no value means you have to put crank mark. That's all you have to do. Okay. Now let's do next problem. Okay, in second problem, this is the second problem. So it is discontinuous. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. We have to make it continuous. Okay. Discontinuous means we have to make it continuous class. Then only we can solve it. Okay. So how to make it? 4 minus 3 divided by 2. 1 by 2, that is 0.5. And here you have to subtract it. 2 minus 0.5. 1.5. And here you have to add it. 3 plus 0.5. So that will become 3.5. Okay. So in the same way, here also you have to do same thing. 4 and 5. That will become 4.5. Sorry, it is 3.5. Okay. You have to subtract it. It is 3.5. Then you have to 4.0 minus 0.5. And here you have to add it. Okay. So that will become 5.0 plus 0.5. 5.5. Here subtract, here add. Okay. It will become 5.5. Similarly, we will get here 5.5 and 7.5. Then here again 7.5, 9.5. Here 9.5, 11.5. Okay. So this is the class. Okay. Now I will draw it. Okay. Clear? So this is continuous. Okay. 3, 5, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So different. So that's why it is discontinuous. Okay. I hope you got this. Now let's do the graph, histogram. Okay. Now how to draw this? Now take 1.5 if you want. 1.5. Take it here, classes. Okay. Classes and frequency this side. Okay. Classes on x-axis, frequency on y-axis. Now take 1.5 here, then 3.5, 5.5, 7.5, 9.5, 11.5. Okay. Now here you can see, I think you can take 10. Okay. And then we can take 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now let's draw it. For this range, it is 30. Okay. Now for 3.5 and 5 point, it is 50. It will come here. Take 50. Now 5.5 and 7.55. Okay. And it will come in middle here. Between 60 and 50. Okay. Then for this, we have 40. Then for this 9.5, we have 20. Okay. Take 20. Okay, and for the 0 and 1.5 there is no value. Okay, so you have to take one crank mark here. The scale on y-axis is 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter we can take it as quintal. Okay, subtracted 3.5 minus 1.5, that is 2. So 2 centimeter is 2. It is going. And here 1 centimeter is 10 power. Okay, so that you can get it 20 minus 10. So 10 power moles. Okay, so only this much you have to do. Now let's move on to next problem. Okay, we'll do the third problem. So this class is continuous, so no problem. We have frequency also. We have to just write here. First write here 10. Okay. Then 15. Then 20. 25. 30. Then we have 35. Okay. So I have to write this also. 10 to 35. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30. That is the first step. Okay. Now here you can again take 10. Okay. You cannot take 5 like this. 5, 10, 15, 20 is very big. Okay. It will be very big. So we can take 10. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. It is enough for this. Now let's draw. For 10 to 15, instead 0 to 10, 0 to 10 no value means crank mark. 10 to 15, 30 is there. 30 is here. Okay, it is for 10 to 15, 30. That you have to do. Now for 15 to 20, it is 50. 50 is here. Then you have to just join it. That's it. Then for 20 to 25, it is 60. This range, it is 60. Then for 25 to 30, we have 55. 55 is here. Okay. Then for 30 to 35, 15. 15 is here. 10 and 20. Okay, this is all we have to do. A scale on x-axis 2 centimeter. That is how much? Okay, so we'll calculate this. 15 minus 10. And that is 1000 rupees. Okay. For this y-axis, 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10. So there are 10 families. That all. Okay. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to next problem. Okay, now I will do fourth problem. Okay. So in that 60, first write 60, then 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, and then 160. Okay. Now in this we cannot write 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. So we can write 2. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I think 24 means we have to draw more. Okay. Okay, 22, 24, 26, 28. It will be 30. Okay. Okay, now let's plot for this. 62 and it is 14. Okay. 14 is here. 62, 80. Okay. Then just join it. That's all. Now 80 to 100. It is 20. 20 is here. So take 20 here. And join it. Next one is 100 to 120, 24. Okay. 24 is here. Okay. 24. Just draw it here. And just connect it. That's all. Okay. Now 120 to 140 is 22. 22 is here. 22 is here. You connect this here. You'll get this one. Okay. And 140 to 160 is 16. 16 will come here. 16 is here. You just plot this here. Okay. That's all. Okay. And now you have to write for scale for 0, 0 to 60. There is no values there. And you have to put crank mark. Okay. Now we have to find this scale on x-axis. Okay. Scale on x-axis 80 minus 60. Okay. 80 minus 60 is 20. Minutes. Okay. So the 20 minutes you write it. 20 minutes. And for y-axis 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. That we write 2 here. And we write 2 student. That will be 2 student. Okay. So this is the answer for this. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to next. Okay, sorry, it was fourth problem. Okay, it is not third. Okay. Fourth problem. I hope you got this. Now let's do next one. Okay. Okay, now learn something extra. Is that to draw frequency polygon using histogram. Okay. Okay. You have to take midpoint. Okay. Midpoint. Don't join it. Okay. This is extra. Okay. Extra. This is not fourth problem. Okay. It is not fourth. It is different. Okay. So it is extra. So in this I'll take midpoint. Okay. Midpoint is this. Okay. Take midpoint. Okay. Take the midpoint. Okay. For all. So take midpoint. Take midpoint. Take here also midpoint. Take here also midpoint. Okay. And to the joint this. Okay. So this line is frequency polygon. Okay. So that's all you have to do. Okay. So it is to draw frequency polygon using histogram in this method. Okay. I hope you got this. Now let's do next exercise. Okay.